Select Flow from the drop list in the widget pane to use the built-in Flow widgets. Drag the Flow widgets onto the canvas. Then enter the text. Click the Connect button on the Style toolbar. Then drag the line between the two widgets to connect them. Then click the Selection button on the Style toolbar to return to selection mode. Axure can automatically generate page flow diagram, that is, the site map. Right-click the top-level page, select Generate Flow Diagram, and select Standard Mode or Write Mode from the menu. The standard mode is extended downwards. Then right-click on the page to generate a rightward page flow diagram. If you want to create flow diagrams for any pages, please place all pages under the page where you want to create the flow diagram.